All right, hello, Christy Ruffner here, and today we are going to talk about how to create some of the simple banners that I have created on my blog, and that is going to be my next blog post here. I haven't really started writing it yet because I wanted to do this quick video first. And so let's go to my blog here. And I wanted to show you, in my last blog we talked about monetizing and putting these banners on the side of your blog in the sidebar. Each of these pictures is a live link that when you click on them, they will take you somewhere. This particular one takes you to my affiliate map page. Okay, and I just created these from an image, and I'm going to show you how I did that. And then I'm also going to show you how I put this banner in here as well. And that is actual code that I got from my affiliate site, and I'll show you where I got that and how I put that into my blog here. And then I have also at the end of each post, I have a banner which I have created from an image again. And I'm just going to show you the resources that I use and briefly walk you through the process of creating a simple banner that you can use on your blog. So we're going to start here by taking a look at a little free resource page that I put together here. These are the main resources that I use just about every day. Whether I'm posting on Facebook or I'm working on my blog or on my website, these are the resources I use. They are free. Most of them are very easy and they each have their own specific use. Jing, as if you can see off here to the side, this little sun is on my screen at all times, and I can use Jing to take screenshots of anything that I have on my screen. And so I use that just about daily, whether it's for social proof, whether it's for creating a logo or creating a banner, I use Jing. Another one that I use is called paint.net. It is probably the most difficult of the free programs that I use. Mostly I just use it to put images together, to put images with text, and to put text on top of images to create my banners. Now PicMonkey I use a lot. It's very, very easy, very simple to use, and I use it because it has a lot of different kinds of fonts, things that are a little more dressy, that are a little more eye-catching, and it gives you a little bit more variety than the standard fonts. Now TinyPic I use to create a link. TinyPic will host your images for free, and it gives you a link that you can use. For instance, when you are setting up a banner ad in Map, it requires a source for the image, and so TinyPic would create that link for you so that your image shows up when Map runs your ad. And so those are the main resources that I use every single day, whether I'm just sharing something on Facebook or whether I'm blogging. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to take you back and I'm going to show you how I create a banner. And I'm going to use my advertising pays, and we're going to come over here to Jing, and we are going to take a little quick screenshot right here of this logo, and we are going to save it. Now in Jing, you can put a frame around it if you want. If you want to snazz it up a little bit, you can put a little frame around it like that. You can change the color of the frame, turn it green. We're going to save it. That's going to open up a file on my computer where I'm going to save it, and I'm just going to put map logo. Save it in this file where I've got the rest of my little pics from my post. And so that's been saved. Let's say we are going to put that little banner over here on this side over here. And so we're going to bring this image and we're going to bring it over right there. And then, oops, we are going to click on Upload Image. Upload from your computer. And then we're going to go and we're going to find that image, which is in my ChristyRuffner.com, my blog, banners post, and there it is right there. We're going to open it, and it's going to get put right there. Okay, so there is our little banner. Now, when we click on it again, it opens up our options here, and we can move it all the way to the left, all the way to the right. We're going to center this one. And we click on Link, and we're going to put our link in there. We're going to open it in a new window, and we're going to say this is going to go to HTTP map with Christy. Always double check and make sure that you're typing in your link properly, because if it's not in there right and somebody clicks on that, they're going to go to a dead link, and you do not want that. If somebody clicks on a link, you want them to go where you want it to go. Okay, now we're going to click on spacing, and we're going to put large spacing in there, and we're going to move this so that it's above the RSS feed. RSS feed is going to be at the bottom of all of our banners. And so there we are. There we have our little, let's get this to scroll down here. There's our little banner. Okay, my advertising pays. And this is where you move it. Okay, move it around. All right, you click right on it, and it opens up your options. Now you can put a caption under it and say, choose advertising that pays you back. Okay, and there you go. Choose advertising that pays you back. That's what my advertising pays is all about, right? Or you could shorten that up a little bit because it's a little bit long. Let's take choose off of that and just put advertising that pays you back. There, that's better. Advertising that pays you back. All right, now that is a banner. Someone can click on that and they will go to my map website. Right? Okay. Now, let's go back here. We've used Jing. Let's choose a little bit better. Let's make a little bit better image here to work with. Let's go to my advertising page. Let's log out. And let's go to the home page. Let's see this. Yeah, okay, here we go. Now we're going to come in here and we're going to find something that we can take a picture of, that we can create a banner out of. Okay, so let's do this. Let's open our Jing and let's take a quick shot right here of this. Just like that. And let's sort of cut that off on the top so it doesn't look like it's been a picture that's taken. Let's go ahead and capture that. Um, let's name it. And we're going to save it. And then what we're going to do is we are going to go into Paint, and I'll show you how to add your website to that. So we're going to open that image. Let's see, we got to go find it first. There it is. We're going to open it up in Paint. Okay. Now we are going to add our URL to the bottom of this. And in order to do that, we open our tools and we click on Text. And let's see, let's do it in the bright green color. Okay. Now when we click on the picture, it flashes the cursor in the color that you've chosen, and then this little crossbar is how you move it around. Okay, and you put it where you want. But right now, let's just get that URL started. Okay, now we can come up here and we can change that font. We can make it bigger. We can make it bigger that way. And then we need to move it a little bit, get it back onto the picture. Okay. Now ideally this would be a little bit bigger. So that we had a little bit more room to put our URL down there. We could make that a little bit smaller maybe. Okay. And so it didn't look quite so crowded. All right. But that's basically that is the simplest part of Paint. Now let me show you how easy it is to put up a banner like this right here. And I've actually got another one. I've got another one that is uploaded. Let's see, where did I put it? It's on one of these posts. This one here, it's another one that changes. I don't know whether you'd call this, I don't know what they're called, what kind of a banner it is, but it's an active banner. And so anyway, let me show you how easy that is. First of all, you've got to go and find the code. So for map, to find the code, let's go and find that right quick. I'll show you where that's at, and then I'll show you how easy it is to put that on your blog. Now you are going to come over here to your promotion center, and you're going to come here to your map banners and referral link, and this is where you find all your different banners, and you just decide, you know, what size you want. And I always have to scroll back up here. So the code for the banner is underneath the banner, and so you just put your cursor in. Let's see, let's find one that runs the other direction. Here we are. Okay, so you find one that's the size, the shape, and says what you want it to say. You put your cursor in the middle of the box where the code is, and you right click, and then you left click select all, and that selects all of the code in that box. You right click again, left click copy, come back over here, and we are going to open up my draft. And we are going to scroll down here, over here in my tools, and we're going to look for embed code. We're going to drag that over. Now this is going to end up at the bottom of my post. and basically you just copy and paste that code, and you select how you want the banner to be positioned on the page, and then that's it. Nope, there's one other thing that we want to do. Let's see. No, that's it, because you don't have to worry about the link, because the link is already built into the code for the banner. Okay, so when you get code like this off of your site, as you can see right here, from here, http semicolon / www.reference.asp ? For sponsor equals, and that's my affiliate number. That is my link. So when somebody, and here's the source code, right here where it says SRC, that's the source code for the actual image. Okay, when somebody clicks on this link, it takes them to my website, and they are added to my list as a lead and a referral if they go ahead and open an account. Okay, so that's how that works. Pretty simple, huh? Okay, so there it is. That is how you put the different banners on your blog. I hope that that was clear. Basically, like I said, and let's just save this to drafts. Okay, now we're going to come over here to my blog, and we're going to scroll up here, and I'm going to show you, here's my banner from Map, and then this is the Google code, and then there's my RSS feed. Okay, now we're going to come back over here to where I put my website together. We're going to come up here. Remember, I added that little banner right there underneath the Google code. This is the Google code right here, Google AdSense. Okay, I added this little banner underneath it. In order for that to show up on my blog, I've got to click Publish right here. Okay, now that has published, and we'll come back over here and we'll refresh this page. And there it is. There's my little banner. Okay, so it's as easy as that. It really is simple. It's just a step-by-step process. Come back and watch this video as many times as you need to, figure out how to do it, and go and get it done. That's how you start making money off of your blog. Other than writing excellent, value-rich content that brings your readers back to you every day, looking for new, fresh content. Now, I have added a capture form that goes to my autoresponder, and I am offering for free top 220 keywords that will attract buyers to your blog. So when you're writing content, you are focusing on specific keywords to attract specific people looking for specific things, and you want to attract buyers because they're the ones that spend money, and we're here to make money, right? So go ahead, and I invite you to download that free list. All you have to do is enter your name and email address, and immediately there will be an email sent out that has a link for that list for the 220 keywords with buyer intent. So I invite you to do that. Make sure that you scroll all the way down to the bottom, and if you found value in this video and this post, to make sure and retweet and like. Leave a comment. Do so as well on my YouTube channel. Subscribe. I promise you that there will continue to be a great deal of value that's added on this blog, and if you're just starting out, it's just the kind of value that you need. So with that, I'm going to say thank you, make it a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.